In 2017, POLATI opened Russia's first world-class training center for specialists in scaffolding installation. The training program is based on the teaching of professional skills for the safe and fast installation of scaffolding, thus ensuring high efficiency. Candidates pass 5 stages of strict selection: a security check, physical fitness tests, medical commission, theory tests, and practical tasks related to the installation and dismantling of scaffolding. At each of these stages, the screening out of students with low results takes place. For the first time in the world, students can practice building scaffolding on a Baby Scaff training model, a smaller replica of real scaffolding. This design has the same properties as an actual metal scaffolding structure and allows you to clearly understand the loss of stability inherent to racks, trusses, diagonals, and the entire structure. The practical training program is conducted at a specially equipped training ground and includes installing bridge structures, bypassing obstacles, pipes, beams, columns, installation of structures or inclined surfaces, facade, circular, and suspended scaffolding. The practical tasks addressed during the training course are close in nature to those that future installers will tackle on real construction sites. World-class professional scaffolding, tools, and equipment from the world's leading manufacturers are used for practical training. The training is conducted according to Russian and international standards, including the British Standard for Pipe and Clamp Scaffolding, TG 2013. Instructor teachers have real experience working on industrial construction projects. After passing final certification, graduates receive a personal certificate and an authentic set of documents. The documents confer the right to perform work at the height and installation of scaffolding typical on civil and industrial construction sites. Every year, the training center produces more than 4,000 first-class specialists. Branches of POLATI training centers are opening in different regions of Russia. They are already open in the Moscow regions, the Urals, and the Far East. POLATI training centers. Full professional training.